Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarTravel.com, your AMA Waterways River Cruise experts. And today I have the pleasure of being on board the beautiful AMA Serena. Now this particular category is a BA category. I'll talk about that and go over all the space here in just a minute. But keep in mind, when you're ready to book your next AMA Waterways River Cruise experience, make sure you reach out to HarTravel. We are your river cruise experts. We have an amazing relationship with AMA Waterways, and we know that we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the HarTravel signature service every step of the way. Now, AMA Waterways is a highly inclusive and immersive experience. You're gonna find that you have several complimentary tours to choose from each and every single day. If you wanna head out and enjoy all the classics of the museums, the cultural sites, and even the cuisine of Europe, they've got you covered. And if you wanna be a little bit more active, you can head on out a bike tour with one of their guides, take a bike out yourself to explore, or head on a hiking experience. In addition to that, they're known for their cuisine. The culinary team on board is second to none. In fact, they have quite a few awards. You're gonna have breakfast, lunch, and dinner each and every single day with a variety to choose from. You also have the amazing chef's table experience that comes included in your cost, and that's gonna be a wine-paired tasting menu. You put all of that together with an amazing crew, and you're gonna find you love your AMA Waterways River Cruise experience. Now, I mentioned that this is a BA or BB category. They're both exactly the same with layout and design. The big difference is where they're located on the ship. The BA will be up here on the third deck. The BB is going to be down on the second deck, but as I mentioned, the room will be the same. Now let's tour this beautiful space. When you walk in the door, you're going to have your temperature controls just to the side, and then over here you're going to find your primary storage. You've got shelves up and down for storage. You'll find you have a nice large safe here. Those extra comfy AMA Waterways waffle robes and slippers that you can utilize on board. And they even have some extra blankets down below if you want to take them outside and sit on that balcony, or of course for the bed. Now here you're going to find quite a bit of hanging storage all the way across up top, all the way across down below as well. You've got a floor to ceiling mirror here to get ready. And I love the little touches such as these really nice large umbrellas that you can utilize throughout your time here in Europe. Now directly across is the bathroom. As we step inside, you'll see that it also has beautiful decor. So you've got marble decor here with a pretty good amount of space on top of the vanity, storage space underneath as well, and then you'll also have a magnifying mirror to get ready. You have a European plug to the side. Now I always bring extra European adapters and converters so I can take advantage of all the plugs in the space. Now I'm a really big guy, I'm 6'6". I can fit just fine in the showers here. So you see you have that rainfall shower head up above. You're also gonna have the adjustable shower wand here, some upgraded bath amenities, and also a nook for more amenities as well. Now, a unique feature of the bathroom is you've got this window here. So it's opaque and it does let light in. If you want to let just a little bit more in, you can click the button here and it will become transparent. Now, as we head into the room itself, you can see that you have a good amount of space. Now, one of the questions that we get a lot is the differences between the A categories and the B categories. That's the first letter there. The A categories are quite a bit bigger, and where you're really gonna see it is the extra space in the French balcony. It really opens up here, and then you also have a bigger bathroom as well. Now, this is also that twin balcony configuration, so we're gonna get to head out and check out the balcony in a minute, but I just wanted to go over those details. Now, here to the side, you're gonna find a nice large writing desk. So it also doubles as a vanity. You've got two lights up above here. You'll have a light with the lamp there. And then you're also gonna have two European plugs over to the side. Now I mentioned I always bring those extra converters and adapters so I can take advantage of all the plugs in the room. You've got a mini fridge underneath on this side. You're gonna have drawers and another set of shelves just underneath as well. Now I wanted to point out these devices. A big part of the AMA experience is of course the excursions, and they have some of the best guides in the entire industry. You're gonna have this in your room, and when you head out each and every single day for your tour, all you have to do is tap it on the sign for the guide that you're utilizing. It's gonna sync you right up so you can hear them as you wander the incredible cities of Europe. And of course, maybe you get a little bit further away, you're still gonna be able to hear all the information from the guide. Now they do provide complimentary earphones, though I always bring some extras of my own. I find them just a little bit more comfortable personally. Now over on the side here, you're gonna find an iMac computer. You will have complimentary Wi-Fi here on board. This does function as a computer, but it's also going to be your stateroom television. You'll have this remote control right here, so you can sit in bed and watch TV. Now, I mentioned that this is a twin balcony room, which means that you're gonna have a French balcony in addition to the step-out balcony. It's a great place to sit, maybe have a nice cup of coffee. You can open up the French balcony doors, you get that nice fresh air coming in. Or in case of cooler or inclement weather, you have a great spot here where you can enjoy the incredible river views. Now on the other side of the room, you're gonna find your bed. Now it's together in a large configuration here. It can also be split apart into two twins if that's your preference. In that case, the nightstand's gonna move to the middle of the bed to provide a bit more space. Either way, there's plenty of space underneath the bed where you can put your large bags away completely and out of your way. Now you have nightstands on either side with a lamp. You're also gonna find that you have directional reading lights up above so you don't disturb your partner in the evening. One final touch is you're gonna have an alarm clock in each and every single room. Make sure you set that the night before so you can head on out and enjoy the incredible excursions. Now the twin balcony configuration is one of AMA's signatures. In addition to this fantastic French balcony inside, you've got a place to step on outside and have a seat. Let's check out your private balcony. So now we're out on your private balcony. You've got two chairs and a table right here. What I love so much about the river cruise experience is that you're totally immersed. You're gonna see life going by on either side of you. In addition to that, you're gonna check out all the iconic sites with the beautiful cathedrals passing, and of course, those fantastic castles that not only do you get to see, but you'll get to head out and explore. For me personally, your private balcony is that great place to have a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening, or you can sit out and take photographs as the river passes by. Now, when you're ready to book this room, or of course, if you're considering upgrading to the larger twin balconies or the suites, we've got those on our channel as well for you to check out. We also have the full ship tour. And when you're ready to book your next cruise, make sure you reach out to Hard Travel. Our cruise experts know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with AMA Waterways, and we've cruised with them extensively, and we know that we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Hard Travel signature service every step of the way.